Mine was staring at her sister who was busy talking with her friends. They were looking so in love. Mine was sitting in front of her for half an hour. They were fought and Kitty loved Mine so much. Everything was so well between them. Mine hated her friends as he was very arrogant. He had so much attitude because he was so rich. He always liked that he was so superior that made Mine say, "Blood God. Kitty, I want to talk." He said while whispering. Kitty nodded and Chunk will talk to you later because my sister wants to talk with me. Why can't she leave you again for once? Why she always sticks with you? Why not try to run? We have a problem staying your limits and why do you always stick with to her? Why wanted to say more but Chunk will talk to you later. She cut the call and looked at Vani. Why can't you talk with him in a respectful way? He's going to be my husband. He started telling him that he hates me. Then I also don't like me. I don't even like the man who feels so proud of being rich. Now stop and let's go to buy a wedding dress. They nodded and they went out for buy a wedding dress. Van chose the wedding dress and went for with her everywhere and she bought everything according to Van, which was weird. Van also asked her what she was doing, but her response was she wanted to wear what her sister liked. Van thought that Kitty was doing that just because she was going away from family. They bought everything and the date of wedding came. Don't worry, I'll take everything for you, and you know what, I'm doing all this just for you because I love you so much. I looked at her, don't worry about anything, we will live happily after marriage. One tender kiss, we will run together. Fine. Again looked at her and Kitty smiled and I thought that Kitty was kidding. The next day, Van was so excited for her sister's wedding. Van went to her Kitty's room and she was packing her stuff. He looked at her. What are you doing, Kitty? Kitty looked at her and smiled. I'm packing my things. But hadn't you sent your things to his mansion? Yeah, but these are my important things. Go and get ready. Van nodded and Kitty didn't want her to sit in her room. Van nodded and walked on. Her parents were so happy because they liked his family so much. Uncle's family was so disciplined and respectful, but he was arrogant. Van's family was also so rich but not like them. Uncle and Kitty were together for 2 years and they wanted to get married as soon as possible. When because Chunk was so in love with her. While watching everyone, she fell asleep there. Suddenly, she opened her eyes and she heard my mother's voice. She rubbed her eyes and looked at her dad, who was sitting while holding his hand. Dad was strong. He looked at her and handed her the letter. Kitty left. She grabbed her eyes within after reading and she didn't believe that she is pranking such downright one eyed creature. For her, she didn't think about her preparation. Mrs. Joyce calling me for about half an hour, and I don't have an answer. Don't look at me like that. I really don't know where she go. I know, but I have a solution to save her of reputation. What is it? Mom was walking towards him while he was smiling but staring at her. Her face was blank, and she cried for almost 2 hours. She was wearing the wedding dress with her sister bought her man's dress. She realized that her sister was doing that one crying more because she didn't want to marry the guy who loved someone else. So now all my life I have to act like her. That means I don't have an identity. Now I don't want to marry the guy who's crazy in love with my sister. I can't like that. Will you accept one as you love me? Yes, I do. Yeah, it was very sweet. One was the question asked from me. One said yes after that. She felt her soul left her body because she met the lover of her sister. He leaned towards her and kid, please don't do this. He was singing a tune, but in her imagination, we tried to close her eyes, but suddenly he kissed her on her forehead and she opened her eyes. One day when they were sitting in the car and he was holding her and her heartbeat was so fast that she wanted to yank his hand. She pulled her hand back and looked outside. He leaned towards her. Why are you so nervous, baby? She looked at him and wanted to go. It's a new beginning. You will like it so much. He talked with her and they stayed like that. After half an hour later, the driver stopped the car and they walked out of the gate and entered the mansion. She looked at it. It was made for her. He was staring at him. Do you like it? So yeah, he asked, softly asked. This is for you. Everything is yours. Hey, now let's go to our room. He picked her up and she looked at him shockingly. Her parents were better not to tell him that he should get it anyway. They wanted him to find out by himself. They just wanted to save their reputation. One married him just for her parents. They entered the room and he put her down. She was staring at the room and he locked the door. And she looked at him. He smiled and started walking towards, but she started stepping back. Who's Alexander? To return, they will not found out. You married me just for the money and think that I owe you and think that I won't find out. You stole my money to give him and you went to her breathing behind my back. How can you cheat on me? When was staring into his eyes and tears started falling. She couldn't do anything. His eyes were like a straws pressing into her eyes. She didn't know about that. I won't forgive you and you don't deserve forgiveness from me. You broke my trust and played with me. I didn't love you, but you were behind my money. I like that sweet, but just to make play because I wanted to make your life hell after marriage. So you have to bear the same as me. I will cheat in front of you and you have to see me and bear the pain I bore. Her tears were falling. The whole she cried so much and even told her parents, but they told her not to speak up in front of me and they wanted to make a deal in between them. They didn't know what to do with their business and with reputation. They were also doing bad with her because they knew that she wouldn't do anything against them. She was sitting in that condition. He looked at her from head to toe and smirked. You made my life your own life, and if you didn't do that, then we will live like happy couple. Now you have to face the same. You will get everything, but not me. I want to hurt you physically, but I'll destroy you mentally. You will regret playing with my emotions. He was staring at him with arrogance. He walked towards the closet. He came out and grabbed his arm. Whom are you trying to call? The man with whom you cheated on me. He checked her cell phone, and there was nothing. In that he looked at her, but ignoring his action, you deleted everything just to hide it from me. Why did you think I'm a kid? You took your cell phone and change many cell phones as you want. Because I know everything. She came out of the room, was sitting on the couch with a girl. She stared at the girl. He was smirking. She didn't care about him and she didn't want to love him. So it didn't hurt him. She swing with another girl. She ignored him and walked towards the dining table. Sophie, what do you think? He said, why do you start looking so innocent like man? Of course she is innocent. She looks like she behaves gracefully, but that suits her. When do you hate her? No, why are you asking this? You know I don't hate her. They sat down on the dining table when Katie met Billy. She's my very good friend, he said while leaning towards him. Billy was smiling like crazy. Why didn't give him a love about them? She wasn't feeling good after seeing that. To India, he was eating his childhood and leaning to Billy, and man was staring at him in his mind. He was making me at his chair, but he didn't know a man was sitting in front of him. Man looked down and started eating while her eyes were swollen. He put the dish in front of him and ate this. Man started coughing and her weight growth. As she fell down on the floor while coughing, he got up. What happened? He came towards her and she was coughing. He picked her up and went to the doctor. Billy also ran with them. Now she was laying, was staring at the ceiling. He was looking at her and William was putting lipstick on her lips. Why you aren't allergic to that? He asked. No, I know I'm allergic. Why your baby like that? She wanted to push him, but she didn't say anything and they acting like she was also in regret. Me and Billy are going on a date, so stay alone. He walked out and she was staring at him and could feel that he was doing that just to make her jealous. She rolled her eyes and lay down. She was feeling relieved but she wouldn't get mentally pain because she didn't care about him. She grabbed herself and he came back and she was still sitting on the bed. He looked at her and she was screaming. She looked at him and her heart beat increased after seeing his angry face and he clenched it. She ran and come and get up. I said get up. Go there and stand there. And if he's sitting there and then ready for the punishment, why she didn't know why he was doing. Also now I still have to tell you why she grabbed her and don't forget what you have to tell me. She told me this is my way to get revenge. Go there and stand. She knows so there. She sat there. She really wanted to tell him she wasn't kidding, but she didn't want her parents to suffer, so she kept quiet. She stood there and 2 hours passed. No hurt for me, far from me to see with him. And you were behind my money. I can't believe that her tears were falling. She was wearing her just for her friends, and she fell down and walked towards her. He walked to her. He was about to pick her up, but she wanted to do something worse with him. But suddenly he saw more on her rack. He picked her up and put her on the bed. He called his personal doctor, and she was fine, but fell asleep after that. He didn't take that seriously and also lay down. He thought that he was doing overthinking. The next day she woke up and he wasn't in the room. She was afraid she didn't see him in the morning, but because he would learn and mood, she packed her time, but she ignored him because she never took him seriously. She did her morning clean and walked out. And she walked out, she saw him sitting on the chair, staring at her, whispering her face full after she hated his smile. Leave me, what do you want from me? Her heart wasn't after eating and she tried to push him. What's wrong, Kitty? Don't you love it, huh? No, I don't want it anything from you and leave me. She was trying to free herself from when he left her and she looked at him. While being annoyed, he was still smiling and you don't even know. Oh yeah, what do you mean? Nothing. But Van is fine out of the country. She isn't calling her, didn't see her in the valley. Where'd she go? What's she married to? She's not enjoying with her friends. That's why she's not calling me really. Why tell her I want to meet her, but why? I want to talk to her about something. Tell me, I will tell her. She didn't want to die out of curiosity, no. She was dressed in front. Why are you behaving like your sister? Are you really Kitty? What do you mean? Why are you like Kitty? I'm Kitty and mine is my sister. We both have similar things. He and I want to meet her and get ready for divorce. He got up and walked past by while her heartbeat was so fast because she didn't even know Alexander and didn't even know about Kitty's relationship with Alexander. She didn't want more any punishment for me. She sat on the couch for holding her head. Why are all the bad things happening with me? I'm stuck in this. That night she was standing while putting lipstick. Mrs. Joy called and told her to get ready for the business party. She was ready and was just applying lipstick. She wasn't afraid of anything because she made up her mind. And she would leave telling me entered the and looked at her from her to door. She was looking so beautifully back towards her, staring at her. Suddenly he stopped. He didn't correct me. Why call you man? I didn't know. He nodded and they walked out. She became so nervous around him. Her heart increased after him. She didn't know what to say or how to react. They walked out. And while he was holding her hand, all the way she tried to tell him, but she didn't. At the party, they came and there she saw her best friend. He looked at her and thought that she was Kitty. She stood while holding his arm and was feeling so alone and bored. She wanted to talk with her friends. She was standing silently. Her parents came and she met them. Happily told her no to tell him because they didn't want to break the deal between them. One had she wanted to get out of the mess because it was very awkward for her to live with the man who was in love with her sister. They came back from there, and she came out from the bathroom after saying his clothes. He was laying on the bed and she stopped after saying, "Don't you want to go out with your girlfriends? No, why are you asking? Don't you like to?" He told her, getting jealous. "Why are you looking there? Are you embarrassed to face me? What have you done? If you want to hurt me, then why didn't you leave me for wearing a caught me while stealing your money? Why are you doing this? You hurt me while being with me. I wanted to do the same. I wanted to feel the same. Does the perfume given by your boyfriends? No, and stop accusing her. She might have reasons to cheat." She, her face fell. "I mean, I have reasons to cheat. You are so arrogant and always short of stop justifying cheating." He grabbed her face away. "I'm not doing anything with you because I have a doubt about it. Not sleep, but I have doubt you have." She later mumbling angry about him. She became afraid and a big found out she wasn't Kitty. He didn't ask about Alexander. He didn't hurt her again, but she still. 1 month later, he still didn't find her as they were leaving like that. He stopped hurting her. He stopped trying to make her jealous. He had never since believed after that his baby was normal. He asked her many questions which she tried to answer without telling him. She had never asked her Alexander, never forced her to stay with her, to be everything. "Sorry, living in line or not?" "No, I mean, he acted like a beast in the beginning, but now he has changed so much. He doesn't ask her many questions and live quietly. I'm afraid because what if he finds out he will make it my life. Don't worry, I'm with you." She nodded and suddenly she turned her face and he was standing in front of her. "Janko, do you have to ask her? Will you tell me by yourself? What are you doing with your sister's best friend?" "I came out to grab coffee, but then it's time, so I started to talk about when really." She nodded. "So where is my Nangsu? She lives in New York. Tell her I want to talk with her. I will call her." "But why?" He looked at her and told her while saying, "Come out." She got up and walked behind him, was looking back at Hangsu. "I must still talk for but you have done to me. I'm not hurting you because I have a doubt. Otherwise, I give you a divorce and break every relation with you. When your boyfriend said, I have to give me my money. I know you can't give me, so you have to do everything to return, but you shouldn't to have done that." She was staring him and he was talking with full of hate was why she walked out. The next day at office, she went to the office with him. He was calling her on her other name. He wanted to call one. Her parents told her about his call and she was holding it up while hiding from him. She picked up the call and hello. "Why, where are you? I'm in New York. Why are you asking?" Her heart beating crazy. She wanted to cut the call. "I want to ask you, Katie, do you know what her friend?" She asked. "No, why does she have a boyfriend when she has you? You will come to know Curly, and this is what you want to ask." "Yes." "Okay, bye." She opened the door, and he was standing in front of her. She said, "Why are you standing here?" "I was waiting for you. Were you talking to someone?" "I know it was another girl. Let's go." He nodded and felt like he had everything. But she didn't ask him, but she was Kitty. At night, she was standing while taking off her makeup. He came towards her and she thought that he wanted to take off his clothes. But he stood behind her and she looked at him. "What do you want? What can you give me?" "Okay," she turned and his eyes were. He was talking about 6 lips. He broke the and he was staring at her. "Now good," she asked. "Well, your heart rate was fast." He didn't force her. She kissed him on. He was staring at her and turned her left. She turned and took off her makeup. She didn't care about him. The next day, she was sitting on the couch while using herself and he came out and at her. She looked at him. "Why am I looking so pretty?" she asked. "No." He walked her towards the dining room and sat down on the chair. Suddenly, she wanted to calm me. She thought that he needed her. She wanted to manipulate him. "I said that you needed me. Young to rest away from me." She got up and was smoking while thinking that she manipulated him. He walked out. While feeling not again and herself was telling him that if she wasn't taking but he didn't want to vote for her. A month later, he was sitting in his office and his secretary came out holding the files. He looked at him, paused and phone Kitty. She's on vacation with her boyfriend Alexander. He handed him the file. "Look at her photos with him. This is Katie and the woman you marry is mine. Your wife is pretending to be Katie." He checked all the files, but if that was Katie. "So I was going to and she had it from me, but why did she have everything? Why didn't she tell me even though I did so many things with her? Why she is doing this?" He listened. He was reacting. I didn't want to hurt her. And he was staring at her. She was sitting in front of me. She put her spoon down and, "Why are you staring at me? Do I look like a zombie?" "Yes." "Oh, really?" Luck was saying, "Where is sister wine? Why does she come back yet?" "Why are you so eager to meet her, huh?" she asked while staring at him. You just have to listen to what I'm saying, not to behave like this. Cheaters don't deserve to behave like this. He looked at me for telling me I'm not kidding, even what if I know I'm not fine. He got up and stood behind her by putting his hands on her shoulder, and she didn't have the stamina to look at him because she was so nervous because of him. I know you aren't on Kitty. Maybe I just wanted you to export it from you when you did. Why did you think that you can hide it from me? Now tell me, where is your sister? Tell me everything, man. I want my baby cute. Did you will everything? What did you wear all that? Katie ran away with her boyfriend on the wedding night. Mom and Dad asked me to pretend like her and didn't know that she cheated on you. And you wanted to take revenge. But I gave to my just for my parents. How do you find out I ever done bad about you? But today I found out. I'm sorry what I did for you, and I was so fatigued. He was not feeling good everything. He heard her. He wanted to hug her. Her eyes were filled with tears from breaking business with my parents. I did everything for my parents. I know I did wrong, but I did it for me. But I just wanted to see my parents in worry. I borrowed that just for my parents. I wanted to tell you that I thought that we would break the business trip and my parents would come on the road because they needed a business trip. I'm sorry, but I'm also at fault. You don't have to feel bad because you did well, but you did all that's for your person with everything, just not trusting them in pain. At least you're not like a sister who left everything to get a human, but you saved your people from trust and tried to do everything. You should tell me on the first I wouldn't do anything and break the deal. I thought that you would hurt me. But now tell me what you want. Do you want to go for here or live here? It's up to you. I won't break the deal. I want to go. I think this is better for you because you're not interested in me. I wanted to go back. I will tell everything to my parents. They said like that after a few minutes later she broke their and thank you for understanding. She knew that these are any small one. If you think then it's okay. It's not after I'm leaving, so I don't have to think about her. And she walked into the room and packed her bag and walked. A month later, he was sitting on the car dining table. Mama was sitting dinner alone. He was missing while she was with him. He started to seem like a presence, but she knew that she was not interested in him. He wasn't giving her, and she wouldn't give him a chance. He didn't see her after that. He was so happy in her, but she was missing her. But he knew that he did so much, but he didn't know that she was fine. Kitty did that so much bad when she used him and even made his reputation bad in business with her boyfriend. Kitty made fake rumors about me, which made him lose so much money. She treated him and stole his money to give her boyfriend. He just wanted her to feel the same pain she gave him, but he didn't know that. They both were when first they left each other. She was leaving everyone. She was leaving her, missing her. Because he felt for her, he didn't want to leave her, but he didn't want to force her to stay with him. And he believed that she wouldn't love him. While on the other hand, one was sitting at the floor, where her best friend was sitting in front of her. He's not a bad. I should have told him he was just hurt by the betrayal of my sister. I knew he was wrong, but I also did wrong. I also tried to manipulate him as well. We both don't deserve this. Tank was sitting in the car staring at the view. He was feeling so like suddenly his eyes were enough to seeing wine hanging out. So she was smiling with him and they were really trying to catch each other. She was screaming and he was staring at her. His eyes got broke. He thought that she loved Wangsu. She didn't understand why he was getting the opinions for her. He couldn't control himself. He wanted to go but close. After 6 months, there was a meeting in the company and she was getting in the elevator. Came in and entered. Suddenly, both of them entered. Her heart beating crazy around him. She looked at him. He was looking at her. When I want to tell you something, he said, and when she stood and said, I love you. I don't want to fall in love with you. But I love you so much. But this has become the most beautiful feelings for me. Let's start living together. She was staring at him in silence and the door opened and people started acting and they both walked. She didn't answer me, didn't talk about it again. A week later, everyone was still confused about that, but she didn't know what to say. They were still under husband and wife. They didn't meet each other. So she was puzzled because she didn't want to leave him. She did so much for my parents. If he didn't wrong, then it was also for she was, and she should have told him. She was in her mind. Suddenly, Angsu looked at her eyes. Listen to me. She listened. He said to her, everyone, and looked at her. He smiled and one sat on his knees. He followed her, but she looked at him, not knowing what was going on. Jung was staring at them, finally leaving my face. He was fine as if he didn't after reading that. And then she ran behind him. She came out and saw him walking towards his car. She called his name and he called. Looked at her. Jung stopped and looked at her. She smiled and ran towards him and hugged him. She looked at me, love you too. He smiled and when she smiled and hugged him tightly. I love you so much. His servant picked her up. With husband and didn't say anything to her. She asked for agreements and he didn't say anything. One was with him. She didn't ask about his money and tried to get her to her husband. He just wanted her to go away from him. He went away from the man and husband. But so happy together. He really loved her so much. He got pregnant with the both blessed with the daughter. They were living happily and forgiving each other.